Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. If you're an OG, I salute you and thank you so much for coming back.
Board Amtrak train 371, the Pierre Marquette. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride.
So if you've been following this travel series with me, you know I'm in the United States with my family. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, this is your chance to go back 2 videos and watch both those 2 videos. I traveled with my family and we're experiencing the city of Chicago together for the first time. It is majestic, it is incredible, and it was really such a bonding moment for us. And we will really soak in the city at this point. We had just arrived here and we're actually on our way to breakfast. As you can see, the family is hyped, the family is excited, and the family is ready. Welcome to Chicago, Dad. Yeah, I think we were high-rise buildings. When I say stunning, I mean absolutely stunning. The windows, the buildings, the atmosphere. I thought Toronto was majestic until I came to this city. And now it blows my mind to even imagine what New York City is like. This city is absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it's like a combination of like different types of architecture, super glassy windows, super shiny. Say hi. Say hi. So we decided to drop off our bags and we got breakfast at this really cute homey spot called Yoke. The atmosphere was really warm and the food was actually really, really good.
I don't know if it's part of an L or you intended for it, but usually.
Complimentary refreshments for you. Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, ginger ale, Starbucks coffee, Schweppes tea, hot chocolate, lemonade, water. It's endless, this list of complimentary refreshments.
Chicago. I went to grade school and high school here, college. Along the way, I picked up a degree in the history of architecture. The Western United States, 1848. In October of 1848, the first railroad comes to Chicago. And so now you have a combination of rail and river. It is the 27th tallest building in the world. Now, buildings by Skidmore, Owing are tight. Now, to the right side of the boat, we're going by a building, the Apple Store, by Norman Foster. Norman Foster, a famous English or British architect, develops that building, mimicking the Apple product. He worked closely with Steve Jobs. This is really the intersection of architecture and marketing. Jobs using the designs of Foster to improve brand Apple. On the right, here we are at the Wrigley Building again. You see the ornate base, which are also going to Gene Gang. And this is actually 4 buildings. This is the St. Regis. It's the hotel that's in the building, got the naming rights. But it's 4 buildings, 11 stories, 34 stories, 74 stories, and 101 stories, 1,159 feet tall.
Whoa. 10 out of 10, 100% recommend this experience of seeing the whole city from the water. It is absolutely stunning and you learn so much.
The existence of this man as a major part of the tourism. Charles Dickens is
Day 1 in Chicago, seeing the city on foot. It's Manda. Yeah, want to come out here. Now we're downtown. Going to Millenium Park. Now let me tell you something about this pizza, you guys. It is a deep dish pizza and it's a Chicago staple. I don't know if they do it in other places in the world, but if you look really closely, it is so deep. So like the crust and it's like, I'm telling you, 2 slices is more than enough. It's more than enough for you to get your filling. You see the way I'm cutting through that thing? That's just how much. It's not your average flat pizza. Oh my goodness, the best pizza I've ever had. Ever. Like the cheese and the mushroom and oh guys, it was just so good. And I'm so glad I got to taste it because I got a recommendation from a coworker of mine. She was like, oh, you're going to Chicago? You have to have the deep dish pizza. And oh my goodness, 10 out of 10. You know, the spoons.
You turned on the torch on the gas.
And lit up everything.